Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn an easy way to bypass Samsung FRP lock after factory reset. When your Samsung phone requires you to verify the account, how can you bypass the FRP lock with PC? iSunshare Android Password Genius can help solve this issue. Download the software from iSunshare official website. iSunshare Android Password Genius has designed with the powerful Samsung FRP lock bypass utility that can help users remove FRP lock on almost all Samsung phones and tablets. After downloading, install and launch it on your PC. Now click Unlock Google Lock. Select Samsung brand. After that, hit Start. Select your device OS version. Generally, we will select the first option and hit Next button. OK, go back to the emergency screen and get the diagnostic menu on your phone. Click Next, waiting for the notification to be sent. Allow the USB debugging box. Well, the FRP lock is bypassed successfully. Now you can directly enter the Samsung phone and use it. That's all for the video.